Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N continues to redefine the SUV segment in India with its blend of ruggedness, modern technology, and premium features. A successor to the legacy of the original Scorpio, the Scorpio N is a bold step forward, offering a mix of off-road capability and urban sophistication, appealing to both adventure enthusiasts and family car buyers alike. Mahindra has infused the Scorpio N with a commanding road presence, marked by its bold grille, sleek LED headlamps, and muscular body lines. The SUV has a more refined and aerodynamic design compared to its predecessor while retaining the robust essence that Scorpio fans adore. Its imposing stance is complemented by stylish alloy wheels, a sculpted tailgate, and sporty roof rails, making it as visually striking as it is functional. The Scorpio N is available in vibrant color options, giving buyers plenty of ways to personalize their vehicle. Inside, the 2025 Scorpio N is a showcase of modern luxury and practicality. The cabin is more spacious than ever, with premium materials and an ergonomic layout, plush leather upholstery, a dual-tone dashboard, and ambient lighting elevate the interior's sophistication. The SUV offers 3-row seating, with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, making it an ideal choice for large families. The foldable third row provides flexibility for cargo space, catering to both long road trips and daily commutes. Technology in the Scorpio N is cutting edge. The centerpiece is a large touchscreen infotainment system powered by Mahindra's intuitive interface, offering seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, and connected car features further enhance the driving experience. Passengers will also enjoy the premium sound system, automatic climate control, and multiple USB-C charging ports. Mahindra has prioritized safety with features like multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Under the hood, the Scorpio N offers powerful engine options that cater to different driving preferences. Buyers can choose between a refined 2.2-liter M-Hawk diesel engine and a peppy 2.0-liter M-Stallion turbo petrol engine. Both options are paired with either a 6-speed manual or an advanced 6-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and excellent performance. For those who love off-road adventures, the Scorpio N comes with an all-wheel drive (AWD) variant equipped with Mahindra's 4S terrain management system, allowing it to conquer challenging terrains with ease. Ride and handling have seen significant improvements thanks to the new ladder frame chassis and upgraded suspension system. The Scorpio N is engineered to deliver a comfortable drive on city roads while maintaining its legendary ability to tackle rough terrain. Its high ground clearance and robust underbody protection make it a reliable companion for both daily use and off-road escapades. With competitive pricing and a range of variants, the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N caters to a wide audience. It blends the practicality of an SUV with the features of a luxury car, setting a new benchmark in its class. Whether you're seeking adventure or sophistication, the Scorpio N strikes the perfect balance, making it one of the most appealing SUVs on the market today.